So, we'll be discussing a very hot burning topic which is in the news from the past 2 to 3 weeks. India is on the brink of an unprecedented power crisis. In our country, where 70% of the electricity is generated using the coal, this is a major cause of concern as it threatens to derail the India's post-pandemic economic recovery. The next question is, why is this happening? As India's economy picked up after a deadly second wave of COVID-19, the demand for power supply rose sharply. The power consumption in the last 2 months alone jumped by 17% as compared to the same period in 2019. At the same time, the global coal prices increased by 40% and India's import fell by a 2-year low. And not to forget that the country is the world's second largest importer of the coal, despite also being home to the fourth largest coal reserves in the world. So you must be thinking what it is likely to impact. If the crisis continued, a surge in the cost of electricity will be felt by the consumers. The retail inflation is already high as everything from oil to food has become more expensive. Not to forget, electricity power is everything. So the entire manufacturing sector, cement, steel, construction, everything gets impacted once there is a shortage. And if this persists, Asia's third largest economy will struggle to get back on track. And to conclude, I would like to say that it's a wake-up call for India and to say that the time has come to reduce its over-dependence on the coal and more aggressively pursue a renewable energy strategy. Experts advocate a mix of coal and clean sources of energy as a possible long-term solution.